Jordan brand marks its 40th anniversary with fresh product launches, spotlighting the Air Jordan 1 as part of the Inspired by the Greatest capsule for kids. The sneakers arrive in a fall-ready flat pewter, Photon Dust, white and blue chill palette, mixing leather, TPU, and suede for a modern yet classic look. A lighter high-top version with striking blue chill details adds flair while aligning with other Nike-incorporated seasonal releases. Stickers reading "Inspired by the Greatest" accompany the collection, paying tribute to Michael Jordan's legendary impact both on and off the court. More than a style statement, the capsule celebrates heritage while connecting younger fans to Jordan's legacy. The collection will be available soon on Nike.com. Jordan at $120, combining nostalgia, design innovation, and tribute to excellence. Official images preview the lineup, emphasizing Jordan brand's continued influence through anniversary-driven storytelling.